And then the last focus area for us is value, or this idea of return on investment. So we can have the best software in the world, but if no one uses it, it doesn't matter. So in 2015, we did a refocus. We stopped and we looked at the way we were helping you with market adoption. And to share what we came up with, I'd like to introduce to the stage Charles Cazell, Manager of Enterprise Sales and Consulting.
Thanks, John. As John mentioned, my name is Charles Cazell. I've been at Benefitfocus for 6 years, which I thought was pretty good, but it turns out I'm the least tenured person on this rather seasoned panel of experts here, but that's okay. I've had a variety of different positions at Benefitfocus, all generally focused on finding ways to improve how you use our applications. So now one of my roles at Benefitfocus is to help lead our newly formed enterprise consulting organization. We're really excited about this team. I've had a lot of fun working with John and others across the company to build out this concept of value engineering and to help design what the enterprise consulting team is going to look like going forward. And while this is a new name and really an enriched service to our customers, it's not a completely new team. As John mentioned, a portion of this function was previously served by market adoption, and all of the wonderful services that they provided are still going to be available. But we recognized how special and how unique it is to have relationships with over 50 of the largest insurance carriers in the country. So we're investing in and building out a really enhanced organization that is focused on making sure that you are getting the most value out of the Benefitfocus platform. So to show you how we're going to do that, I'm going to quickly walk you through the value engineering lifecycle. The first step is platform education and awareness. So whether you have enrollment, billing, one of our private exchanges, or all of the above in some cases, you know that the Benefitfocus technology is really feature-rich, and there's a lot of depth there. So we're going to make sure that you have all of the information you need, including information on the latest enhancements and additional functionality. We also know that a lot of our relationships date back many years. So we're going to make sure we inform any newcomers to the partnership about all of the capabilities of the platform. The next step is technical consulting. So when we work with you on market segment strategies or other initiatives, sometimes we might need to activate additional capabilities in the platform, or maybe we come across an area that requires some level of technical solutioning. We're going to be experts in your business objectives, so we'll be well positioned to help coordinate a team that can navigate anything that comes up from a technical perspective. In addition, we can provide introductions to one of our certified development partners, like our sponsor of this session, Bentech Labs, that are part of the growing Benefitfocus economy. Ray mentioned our certified development partners yesterday during keynote, and these folks are development experts that have deep competency in the Benefitfocus platform, and so they'll be able to deliver additional functionality, new enhancements, new integrations, really expanding the amount of engineering capacity that you have access to through Benefitfocus. The next step is user enablement, and historically this is where market adoption has spent much of its time, and we're still going to be there to help coordinate all of your training programs. But we're excited to partner with Benefitfocus University, who's actually going to deliver this training in a web-based format. We'll be able to place this training on OnePlace 365, on your website. If you have a learning management system, there'll be options for additional reporting capabilities, custom branding. So we feel like this delivery is going to add flexibility to your training options. So ROI through utilization. Now we know when you originally partnered with Benefitfocus, you did so because you really wanted to use the platform. So in addition to all of the foundational work above, we're going to work with you on adding market segments, turning off paper bills, or a number of other strategies that are going to drive utilization and help improve your return on investment. This is a really fun area for us to spend our time because this is where we see all of our value engineering efforts convert to real value for you guys, and that's exciting. Final step is ongoing communication. So John mentioned listening posts. So we're going to help serve as a listening post for you and facilitate that two-way communication between our good friends in product management and you guys. Y'all have lots of great ideas of ways that we can continue to evolve the Benefitfocus platform. So we're going to listen, we're going to capture those ideas so that we can continue to find ways to serve you better.